Have you ever wondered how to boost your sales through a simple technique called upselling? Welcome to our comprehensive guide to mastering this art. Upselling is a sales strategy where you encourage customers to purchase a comparable higher-end product or add-on to make the sale more profitable. It's an effective way to increase your revenue without having to acquire new customers. It's a common misconception that upselling is a deceptive sales tactic. On the contrary, when executed correctly, it can be a win-win situation. You see, it's about providing additional value to your customers, not just selling them more. It's about understanding their needs and offering solutions that can better satisfy those needs. Upselling isn't about tricking customers into spending more, it's about helping them see the added value or benefit they will receive from a higher-priced item. Upselling, if done right, not only increases your revenue but also enhances customer satisfaction. So let's dive deeper into this fascinating subject. Now that you know what upselling is, the next step is to identify the right opportunities. This isn't about pushing a sale. It's about understanding your customers' needs and enhancing their experience. Think of it like a puzzle. Each customer has unique needs and desires, and it's your job to find the missing piece. Is there a product or service that could make their life easier, more enjoyable, or more efficient? That's your upsell opportunity. Timing is also crucial. You wouldn't offer an umbrella on a sunny day, right? The same principle applies to upselling. Offer solutions when they're needed most, and you'll find your customers are more open to your suggestions. And remember, relevance is key. Offering a product that complements their current purchase not only increases the chance of a successful upsell, but also enhances their overall experience with your brand. Identifying the right opportunity is the key to successful upselling. Remember, it's about enhancing the customer's experience, not just about making a sale. Identifying the opportunity is only half the battle. The real challenge is how to upsell effectively. Let's break it down into 3 clear, easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Present the upsell. This is where you introduce the additional product or service. The key here is to focus on the value it adds. For instance, if you're dealing with a customer who's buying a laptop, you might say, "Did you know that with an extended warranty, you won't have to worry about unexpected repair costs?" This statement not only introduces the upsell, but also highlights its potential benefits. Step 2. Handle objections. It's natural for customers to have doubts or questions. They might say something like, "I'm not sure I need an extended warranty. Your job is to address these concerns." You might respond, "I understand your hesitation, but consider this, a single repair can cost more than the warranty itself. It's all about peace of mind." Step 3. Close the sale. Once you've presented the upsell and addressed any objections, it's time to seal the deal. You might say, "With the extended warranty, you're investing in the longevity of your laptop. It's a small price to pay for long-term peace of mind. Shall we add it to your purchase?" Remember, upselling is not about pushing a product or service. It's about helping the customer see the added value. It's about offering a solution that enhances their experience with the primary product or service. Also, it's important to be genuine and empathetic. Understand the customer's needs and tailor your approach accordingly. If the customer feels that you're genuinely trying to help them, they're more likely to consider your suggestion. And finally, practice makes perfect. Try different approaches, learn from your experiences, and continually refine your technique. You might not get it right the first time or the second or even the third, but don't be discouraged. Persistence is key. Upselling is an art that requires practice. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it. While upselling can be a game changer, there are some common mistakes that can turn it into a deal breaker. So let's dive in and take a look at some of these pitfalls. First up, being too pushy. Upselling is not about hard selling. It's about providing value. If you're too aggressive, customers might feel pressured and push back. Remember, upselling should always feel like a natural extension of your customer's initial purchase, not a forced add-on. The second common mistake, not listening to the customer. The key to successful upselling lies in understanding your customer's needs and wants. If you're not actively listening to your customer, you're missing out on crucial information that could guide your upselling strategy, so make sure to tune in and pay attention. The third mistake to avoid is offering irrelevant products or services. Upselling should always be relevant to the customer's original purchase. Offering unrelated products can confuse the customer and dilute the value of your upsell. Always ensure that your upsell is a logical step up from what the customer is already considering. The fourth and final mistake is neglecting to explain the benefits of the upsell. Customers need to understand the value of what you're offering. Be sure to clearly and concisely explain how the upsell will enhance their experience or solve a problem they're facing. Avoiding these mistakes can help you upsell more effectively and ensure a positive customer experience. So, are you ready to boost your sales with upselling? We've taken quite a journey together, unearthing the hidden treasures of upselling. Remember, upselling isn't just about making a quick extra sale. It's about forging stronger relationships with your customers, understanding their needs, and providing them with the best value. We've delved into the art of identifying upsell opportunities. It's about being observant, knowing your product or service inside out, and understanding your customers' needs. When the stars align and you see that opportunity, you're ready to upsell. And then we ventured into the realm of effective upselling. Remember, the secret lies in your approach. It's not about pushing a sale, but guiding your customer to a better solution. Use your knowledge, your empathy, and your persuasive skills to show them the benefits of a higher-priced item or an add-on service. But beware, there are pitfalls in the world of upselling. Avoid coming off as too pushy or insincere. Keep it genuine, keep it customer-centric, and you'll steer clear of these common mistakes. Upselling is a skill that can greatly enhance your sales prowess, increasing not only your revenue, but also customer satisfaction. It's a win-win situation, a dance between you and your customer that can end in a successful upsell. Try these upselling techniques and see the difference in your sales. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and strategies. Happy selling!